Okay guys, so this is Docket, and right now I'm looking at the packaging queue. I have a job pulled up. This is supposed to be Molly panels, but they goofed on the part number. And this job is for 1. And then right here we can do like +1 on this touchscreen. And you can see there, it'll allow you to go like negative, but obviously we just want 1. Then down here, we have a image of the part, and we also have this link to SOP. So when we click on this, it launches the SOP. Then we just hit complete. Now it's done. Go back to stations, packaging. Here's the next job. Start our packaging process, same thing. SOP, click on that, launches it. This should be pretty rad.